What is a WAF? A WAF stands for Web Application Firewall. The WAF will block hackers and several DDoS threats before they ever reach your website, while also speeding up your site to improve overall customer experience. So how does a WAF work? A DNS change will force visitors to pass through the Sucuri network before hitting the hosting server where your website lives. Once traffic is flowing through the Sucuri WAF, we have several engines that block malicious requests. These include an application profiling engine, where we typically know what visitors look like on each CMS or application. So if the request doesn't fit our whitelist of acceptable behavior, we will block it. A blacklist engine. We blacklist known vulnerability exploitation requests. A correlation engine. This allows for suspicious visitors and behavior to be detected by our network and is used to make our algorithms more comprehensive in the future. DDoS protection and CDN caching. Our network is also capable of absorbing a ton of traffic and speeding up the website for legitimate users. We have rules and emergency protection to block suspicious traffic spikes caused by these DDoS threats. So what won't a WAF fix? Well, in truth, there is no silver bullet solution that will cover all potential risks. There are still several risks that exist. For example, weak passwords or poor access control that allow unauthorized use of your website. Cross-site contamination risks in the form of unprotected sites that are living alongside those you're securing. Overall, the Sucuri WAF will still greatly reduce the risk of facing a security incident on your website. If you need help setting up your Sucuri WAF, don't hesitate to reach out to our team.